best part of having our home on wheels is we get to pull over, don't have to get out in the hot area, and I'm making lunch. Absolutely love it. And it looks like someone wants to take over driving. Got some yummy egg salad sandwich going down. What are you doing, your little shoe? It's to protect from the hot ground. It's to protect your little tootsie baby. What do you think? What do you think?
You want to check if it's too hot?
Our doggies got special little shoes, little sock shoes, balloon things on. What do you think? Yeah, I'm gonna get it, but I have to record. What do you think? Try to run with him, Alan. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go get their food while they go potty. That was absolutely hilarious. I thought they were gonna like freak out a little bit more than they did, but it was still adorable and cute. But at least their tootsies are protected because this ground is really hot right now. It's 101 outside. So this ground is, oh gosh, probably like around 150, probably more, I don't know. But it's hot, I can feel it through my shoes. But I'll show you guys where we're at right now. We might be going over the London Bridge in Arizona. London Bridge. Not sure, but that's pretty dang cool. London Bridge, baby. Here's where we're stopped at to eat. Finally getting out of Cali with these crazy gas prices. The river and the Palm Springs. See, this is a better area than the last spot. Cool bridge. Look at that water. I like the palm trees on this side. Welcome to Arizona. Wanted to get a picture, but I didn't get it in time, I don't think. It's official. We are in our 4th state in our new home. On wheels. Look at that. We hit Arizona. So we believe we've done about 1,200 miles just in California, maybe more. And these gas prices, $3.99 right now. We're loving Arizona gas prices way more than Cali prices. Running Man fuel. Oh, those mountains are pretty over there.
I like to figure out this mountain. It's a state park. It's local.
It's gorgeous. So pretty. There's Lake Havasu, and we're hoping we get to see the London Bridge. We are wondering if this is where the London Bridge is, like somewhere over here, because there's the flag and definitely looks, yeah, London Bridge Resort, least. But does not sound like we'll be able to take our home in the parking lot. So, but we will be back because Arizona is going to be a very fun place for us to explore a lot of, and definitely want to come back to this area. So many fun things to do here. London Bridge. Oh yeah, London Bridge Visitor Center, that way London Bridge Island. I wonder if we just like pulled in here, if this is like a grocery store and just parked there and walked over there. At least see where it's at. So we did not find a good place to park, and the visitor center is closed at this time, so we will definitely be back. to see the visitor center and over by the London Bridge. Might be able to see a little bit of it. I don't know. You guys can see the London Bridge a little bit.
Tiny, tiny bit.
Tiny bit. Right there. So it's right there, baby girl.
Oh, I see it.
Lake Havasu City.
Hey friends, we are in Arizona and my hubby and I are about to get our awning replaced and get that fixed so we can have some shade. Rocky, stay, because it's hot here in Arizona and we know it's just gonna get hotter and we need the shade. So, and our awning was terrible. I'll show you guys here in a second. There we go. See some tearing. Like some holes are out there.
My tire got loose.
Step number 1 is zip tying the awning to keep it safe. I am just really hoping I do not have to get on a ladder. Hopefully it's only a 2-person job, my son and the hubby.
Now we'll roll it down slowly.
Ooh,
What is that?
dead wasp. Obviously this has been torn for a while. The tape that they had, look at how worn down it is up there. Dun, 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 dun. It's concentrating. Straight line, babe. Come on, you can do it. Dad's not so straight line. Shame on him. Beautiful. So the whole thing.
No, it has to slide out. Cause you don't pull, you gotta slide it out. Hold that other
You got to hold that other end code because we don't want it to fall. Dun, dun, dun. So this piece slides out. As it gets away. This part's a little bit tricky. Getting there. And she's down. And he's going to be putting the rubber seal protectant all the way over here. Makes it slide on easier and it also protects it a little bit. So don't want to damage it because as you guys saw, pulling that out was a little bit tough for him. And this is what he was spraying on. RV care. I don't know if you guys can see Mr. Rocky just opened up the curtain. Little blind. Because he's crying like a baby. You're crying like a baby because your mama's out here?
Watch that end. It's dragging on the ground. On top of the old one, maybe. Oh, I almost fell.
So the hubby had to file down a piece of metal part. So hopefully this time we'll get it in there. Oh yeah, it's going in a lot better, it looks like. So the instructions said to keep the plastic on to make it easier. And then once it's all the way on, we just unroll it. So this is some teamwork. He's pushing, and Alan's pulling.
I need some scissors. I can't pull this back anymore.
Almost there. Getting so close. And it is up. It is a little bit different style from the original, but I think it still looks good.
No.
Oh, you're fine, Rocky. Now it's time to get this part on.
So you're going to have to go out towards the dirt on that side, Cody. To the road.
I'm gonna have to be on the inside. So I have to help so I can't record. Oh my goodness, that was a 4-person job. My daughter and I were behind here guiding the fabric right here. Now it's time to roll it up. They did it. Feel accomplished?
Yeah.
Feel good?
Glad we got a new awning.
I know, we can finally use it. Wow, look how nice that looks compared to the other one. Is it not all the way out?
I could go farther out for the tree.
Oh, okay, so that's why it's like slanted. Looks good. I decided, since it was perfect weather outside, to go ahead and let Mr. Spiky out, and I was walking out there with him, and he was just enjoying it. Huh, dude? Come here. You wanna run? Say hi, fam. Or do you like the Arizona weather, dude? Huh? How do you like the Arizona weather? Isn't he absolutely adorable? My hair looks like a hot mess with the hat, but you know what? That hat has been amazing with the heat. Blocks the sun from my face and just makes it feel a lot better. I bet as soon as Daddy comes in, you're gonna run, huh? Because he's some reason you like being on the edge of the bed. Oh, there he goes. Why do you like being on the end of the bed? Huh, dude? Look what Mr. Spiky just did. Oh my gosh. Alexia! Look it! You're looking at Cody and Alexia? Oh my gosh, dude, you're so cute. Well, I am going to get ready so we can head to In-N-Out because we are all hungry. But Spiky has been having fun enjoying the fresh air and the sun. And, well, it's kind of cloudy now, but someone went outside again, huh? The little face.